blind bag day again. Yay!
Yay!
How are we going to do it this time?
What, the way we did it last time. You pick 2 for yourself, and then I pick 1 for you. I pick 2 for myself, and you pick 1 for me.
Okay. So you want to pick first?
Okay. That was easy.
How about... We're going to need squishy pops in a while.
Woohoo! I was going to get one of those for you.
I want to open a minion. And I'd like to do another one of these keychains. What do you pick from?
You didn't get any tiny.
Oh no!
There you go.
Oh. All is right with the world. Alright, so I have a Lalaloopsy Tiny, a Despicable Me 2 Minion Surprise, and a Disney Figural Keyring Series 4.
I want Scar.
You have
Shopkins, and Pony.
Squishy Pop.
Yep.
This is, you get 1 Shopkin, a fashion tag, and stickers. And this one has collector's cards and a Shopkin. Okay. So you can go first.
Yay! I'll open my 3rd of these first. I love these things. I wore my suit that I have already for like 4 days. Whoa! It's Twinkie Winks. Cool.
That's cute.
I think it's Twinkie Winks. Twinkie Winkies. I don't remember. It's the one I showed you when we were looking at the thingy. In the
What season is it?
Season 1. It's a limited edition Shopkins, by the way. It's got a purple. Yeah, it's Twinkie Winks. Season S5 of S6.
So it's one of the special ones.
Yay! 2 special! Ooh, now we got a giant lippy lips sticker. Pink version. I have the green version. Yay! It is a
sticker.
It's a special foil tag. So we have the Buttercup foil tag, Twinkie Winks foil tag, and
The chocolate one?
I think I don't see it. Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah. Sticker.
So I haven't found what I'm looking for on it.
You don't have the right list, that's why. That's season 1, and you've got label right here, all the way down here at the bottom.
Oh.
Ooh.
Yeah. Twinkie Winks.
Ooh, I don't think we have this one, and I don't know what season it's from because I don't remember from the bag. But you have the list, so it's all good. It's a shoe. It's a green shoe. I have the name of Zelina. It kind of looks like a Zelina kind of shoe, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Ah!
Hold it up for the camera.
And that's what is that?
That one?
Heels.
Heels.
Very creative name.
Cool.
I like it.
So we'll just check her off of there. And she is a comet.
Oh, that's okay. She's cool because we don't have her yet.
My turn?
Yes.
I think I'll start with my Loopsy.
Ooh, that's right. That's very good. Yay!
I got a mermaid.
Whoa!
cute.
Get the whole bunch.
This is number 110. She's adorable. We don't have any mermaids, do we?
Nope. So now we have a mermaid in that sea dragon looking thing. Like in Pal. And we also have a picture. I like this sticker. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'll just put it on display. Is it my turn now? We're going to open the other Shopkins thing. I love Shopkins. Wow! Oh, it's Grand Jam. She's like my favorite. And then we have
Jam.
Pantry. And it's got Grand Jam on it, by the way. We got Cupcake Cheeks. I think that's it. Jelly Bean. Milk. Have an obsession for milk. Milk is so good and I love it a lot. Berry Crumbs. Whoa. Polly Polish.
She's cute.
Breezy Peasy. This is Lana Lamp. Lana Lamp. I don't know how to say it. But isn't there there's Lana and Lana Banana? I don't know how to say it. Is it Lana or Lana?
You can say both ways.
Lana Gorilla? I think. I'm going to say it again. Tommy from Once Upon a Time. Tommy. Robbie's not from Once Upon a Time. I didn't say my name.
Baby Puff.
Shopkins Collector Cards Season 1 and 2. So I got a collector card and a collector card. That's interesting. Happy Pepper.
That's adorable.
Wow! I got a cheeky chocolate pop-out thingy, the jiggy. Pop out the Shopkins on the front, but we do have to do fun. Pull the cards wherever we see fold here. Attach the blah blah blah.
Cute.
What Shopkins do we have here? I like those cards. Those are really nice. Whoa.
That's cool.
Whoa, what is this thing? It's got like a cup.
Probably housewares, I would think.
I don't know what it is, so I don't know.
Yep. Ma kettle.
What?
That's cute. Ma kettle.
Woohoo! 2 new Shopkins we didn't have yet.
And she is common.
Yeah, it's me. Yeah, go
Awesome.
on. Go on. I like it.
I'm gonna open up my minion.
You do that. Oh no, she doesn't stand? Oh, sorry. Hey, get out of here. I like when you... Get out of here, kid.
Oh, yay.
Oh, it's Agnes.
Agnes.
Now you just need Margot. That's weird name.
These are so cute. There's so much detail. I just love them.
She's geeking out again.
I'm a geek. I'm okay with it. I'll put her on our little stand.
It's gonna look nice on the TV.
I love them, Al. I want to get them all.
Ow. 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 The injury. Ow. 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 Ow.
No doubles. No doubles.
Please.
Which ones do we already have?
We have 2 Sweet Bells, 2 Apple Blooms, and 1 Applejack. I just want Scootaloo, man. Scootaloo, Rainbow Dash, all the other ones. Come on, man.
Well, we haven't had much luck with these.
Of course, it's bad. try to cover it up so it doesn't spoil it before I open it. Kind of feel it smells like a Pinkie Pie or something. Oh, it's Pinkie Pie!
Yay.
Oh, when we don't have it last.
Pinkie Pie.
Woohoo, Pinkie Pie!
She's cute.
That's the last one, Mom.
And last one, let's see.
I'm hoping for Cruncher Star.
We already have Mowgli and Buzz Lightyear. So anything other than those would be nice. I want Lumiere.
I want Scar. And Crush. Yeah,
Another Mowgli. Anybody need a Mowgli? He's cute though.
Sorry.
Okay, so we got one double. I'd say that was pretty good. Got my little Agnes. Lalaloopsy. Which one's your favorite?
Pinkie Pie.
I like Agnes.
Ooh, quit chewing on that. Yeah.
Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Woohoo!
Follow us on Instagram and our blog, which I have not updated in quite a while. Shame on me.
Fresh
Bye.
Prince of Bel-Air 2016.
Oh, jeez.
Haters gonna hate.